Day 3 of Portugal, first day on the beach, and it's already a lot better than yesterday. We're going on a little cliff top hike. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see how much I'm sweating right now, but I just went out on one of those cliffs to fly drones, and those seagulls are after me. They're coming to attack me, and they chase me. Literally hundreds of them chase me, and I hid in the main building, and now I'm running to my room because they're out and they're gathering. I'm literally talking hundreds of them, maybe thousands of them, swooping down right above my head, making the noises. And it's because I accidentally got too close to one of the babies when I was walking, and I didn't realize I did it. You know the horror movie The Birds? That's what it was like. And they all gathered really quietly on the cliff, and then they started flying in circles. Oh crap. And they flew in circles, and they kept closer and closer and closer. So I figured I better pack up and go. And as soon as I did, they started diving down towards my head. That was one of the most terrifying things that has happened to me in a while. Don't ever F with Mother Nature.